The Chinese military is poised to make an unprecedented technological breakthrough and is gradually beginning the process of replacing soldiers with robots armed with rifles. Recent research has shown that semi-autonomous killer machines are capable of shooting targets with rifles as effectively as humans. They are expected to enhance the combat capabilities of troops and guard important facilities. Let's start our selection with one of the most promising robo-dogs. The Chinese robot dog Unitree B2 continues to break all records. The robot can maintain balance on stairs and can accelerate to an incredible 6 meters per second. It can withstand a load of over 120 kilograms and can walk for more than 5 hours on a single battery charge. Initially, the robot model with the index B1, introduced in 2022, was intended for industrial use. Unitree B1, for example, could move underwater, carry a load of up to 80 kilograms, and operate continuously on a single battery charge for 2 hours without a load. Now, Unitree Robotics has developed a more advanced model, Unitree B2. The new quadruped robot weighs 60 kilograms and has more powerful actuators, producing a torque of 380 Newton meters. Thanks to them, the robot dog can carry up to 120 kilograms of cargo statically and over 40 kilograms in motion. With a battery capacity of 2,250 watt-hours, the robot can move continuously for more than 5 hours without a load, covering about 20 kilometers, and for over 2 hours with a carried load of 45 kilograms. The dynamic characteristics of the actuators allow the robot to make long jumps of over 1.6 meters, jump off heights of over 1 meter, and run at a maximum speed of 6 meters per second. Moreover, the robot is very stable. B2 can maintain balance on a slippery floor covered with banana peels, despite being pushed by engineers. The increased stability allows B2 not to fall while moving on stairs, despite the engineers' active attempts to knock it over. The robot is kicked, pulled by a rope attached to it, and logs are rolled under its feet. Unitree B2 can walk on stairs, including backward or sideways. The robot can also climb 45-degree slopes and move on cluttered surfaces. For spatial orientation, B2 uses LiDAR, depth camera, and regular high-resolution camera. It is planned that the robot will be used in industry, for example, for remote inspection of objects, and the military also plans to use the robot for their purposes. By the way, besides all the above, the walking robot Unitree B2 can be easily converted into a wheeled version. To do this, it will be enough to replace the lower parts of the legs. In camouflage green tones and with protective mesh, a robot dog was showcased, the latest invention of the Chinese military industry. At the China Airshow presentations, it was evident that this robo-dog can ascend and descend, move in all directions, and rotate around its axis. Exciting, but still not original. Most noticed that the Chinese robot is actually a copy of the model from Boston Dynamics, a company that has been developing similar robots for many years and is known worldwide for its achievements in this field. It is still unknown whether the Chinese acquired a license from the American company or managed to closely replicate this invention. Furthermore, many experts express concerns regarding the potential use of such robots for military purposes, fearing an escalation of international tensions and an arms race. China is showcasing advanced military technologies against the backdrop of escalating tensions with the United States. Just recently, the Chinese revealed new examples of high-tech weaponry, including shooting robot dogs, drones, and spy balloons. Let's focus on the latest robot dog. In late October 2022, China unveiled a robotic dog equipped with a machine gun that can be transported by a drone. In a video clip, the drone delivers the robot dog to the roof of a building. After the UAV departs, the robot dog with a machine gun mounted on its back stands up and begins to survey the landing area for potential enemies within firing range. Such drones can be used to attack vulnerable positions behind enemy lines or to occupy rooftops, enabling three-dimensional attacks. Judging by the video, automatic rifles, machine guns, or handheld grenade launchers used by the Chinese military can be mounted on its back. It is claimed that the robot can reach speeds of up to 14.5 kilometers per hour and operate in cooperation with infantry and armored vehicles. The weapon used by the dog is the lightweight Chinese QBB-97 machine gun, capable of firing up to 650 rounds per minute with an effective range of up to 400 meters. The weapon is configured in a bullpup layout and uses a new Chinese 5.8mm intermediate cartridge in its base version. The new combat robots of the Chinese Army are adapted to any terrain and can replace soldiers in particularly dangerous missions. Let's shift to the United States, where a robot dog with a flamethrower attached to its back has gone on sale. The manufacturer Throwflame first unveiled its new creation named Thermonator last summer, and now it's available for purchase. The company shared a new video showcasing the capabilities of the Thermonator. The video, just under 2 minutes long, starts with the flamethrower's fuel being filled on the robot's rear end. Then, the Thermonator is seen spewing flames, including a frame demonstrating its jumping ability. On its website, the company presents the creation as the world's first flamethrower-equipped robot dog. Its price tag is nearly $10,000. Some critics warn that if the robot falls into the wrong hands, serious problems could arise. However, the developers themselves do not consider their creation a weapon. They position the robot as a tool for special effects, considering Throwflame's active involvement in the film industry. Apparently, the model of the robot dog with a flamethrower is chosen from the Unitree Go 1 series, a small quadruped robot. The creators could have used a larger model from Boston Dynamics, but perhaps they preferred this option for its versatility and maneuverability. Here is the latest robot dog named Ghost V60, which is already actively used by the military of the United States and the United Kingdom. The military refers to this development as the Army's eyes and paws. Currently, soldiers from the 23rd Parachute Engineer Regiment of the United Kingdom are testing the capabilities of the robot dog in collaboration with experts from the Robotics Expeditionary Center of the Defense Equipment Group. They will assess how well the machine can operate in different conditions and how useful it will be on the battlefield. It is known that the V60 quadruped can navigate through complex terrain in urban areas or in nature at speeds of up to 10 kilometers per hour and carry a payload of up to 10 kilograms. The robot can be delivered to the task area by helicopter or parachute drop, and then the operator must control it remotely using a special controller. Autonomous mode is not provided. However, the manufacturer has provided protection for the electronics from rain and other weather conditions. Built-in cameras in the front, rear, and sides allow for a 360-degree view, supplemented by the light detection and ranging visualization system. In modern combat environments, robotics is becoming increasingly important, allowing soldiers to act faster and longer. The four-legged Ghost V60 provides enhanced situational awareness for soldiers on the ground. It can serve as the eyes and ears for troops on the front line, increasing target identification and capture accuracy, said one of the engineers of the British Army. He added that the British military has many potential ways to use the robot. For example, the robot can deliver critically important equipment to soldiers, scout dangerous areas, and perform combat tasks too dangerous for humans. It should reduce risks to the lives of soldiers and make their work easier. Another Chinese development was showcased in early November 2022 at an exhibition in China. Here's the latest robotic combat dog equipped with an automatic gun mounted on its back. Installing an automatic gun on a Chinese robot is a serious technical challenge due to the mass of the weapon and the recoil effect when firing. However, the People's Liberation Army continues to show great interest in using this type of military equipment, with heavier armament capable of performing combat tasks remotely controlled or in fully autonomous mode. It is claimed that the robot carries a 14 kilograms gun on its back. The dog is operated using an application on a military tablet. There are also built-in cameras with a 360-degree field of view. Such a robot is designed to perform tasks in fully autonomous mode or in remote control mode. However, detailed technical specifications of the development are not disclosed. At the Army 2022 military exhibition in Moscow, the latest Russian development was presented: a robot dog armed with a grenade launcher. This project, created by the company Intellect Machines, visually resembling a dog, specializes in the fields of robotics, weaponry, and artificial intelligence. The developers claim that the robot dog can perform precise shots, transport weapons, and also be useful in civilian situations for reconnaissance, navigating through debris and delivering medication. In combat conditions, the robot dog can also be used for aiming assistance, patrolling, and security. However, in the United States, there are doubts about the originality of this development, considering it to be a copy of the Chinese counterpart. Model M81 was covered with fabric to conceal its origin, raising questions about the Russian manufacturer, according to American experts. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in this video impressed you the most. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. See you next time.